Let's start with the magic ring. Now make 10 single crochet into the ring. Slightly tight the ring, not till the very end, because we will need that small space later. Slip stitch and chain 1. Make 2 single crochet into each stitch. By the end of the round you should have 20 single crochet. Slip stitch and chain 1. Make 2 single crochet into the very first stitch. One single crochet into the next one. And repeat around 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet. By the end of the round you should have 30 single crochet. Slip stitch and chain 1. Make 1 single crochet into each stitch. By the end of the round you should again have 30 single crochet. Then repeat this round 12 times. This is how it's going to look like a small basket. So pause the video and repeat this round 12 times and I will meet you after. This is my small basket. I'm going to cut the yarn but leave like a good end because we will need it later to stitch the sides. Now take the stick, hot glue and green yarn. Apply the glue on the stick and then roll around with the green yarn. When completed, take the cotton and put a tiny bit inside. We are going to glue the stick to the cotton. So apply the glue to the end of the stick and insert it into the small space that we left in the beginning. And only now we are going to tighten our magic ring. And now let's put the rest of our filling inside our tulip. Now use the needle and the end of the yarn that we left earlier and stitch the tulip from one side to another like a cross. To make sure that it's proper, I'm going to stitch from one side to another several times. Hide the cotton that went outside and add some final stitches and then hide the yarn. The first part of the bouquet is done. Hit the like if it was useful, subscribe to my channel for the second part and I see you there. Bye!